In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default font in Microsoft Word using the Aptos Modern font. If you prefer using Aptos as your standard font in Microsoft Word, you can change the default font settings so that new documents automatically use it. This can save you time and help keep your documents consistent without having to change the font every time you start typing. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create or open a document. Once Word is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the window and select the Home tab. Under the Home tab, locate the Font section. This is where you can change the font size, text style, and other basic formatting options. In the Font section, select the small arrow in the bottom right corner. This will open the Font dialog box where you can access additional font settings. Inside the Font dialog box, look for the Font field. Select the current font name to open the list of available fonts. From the list, find and select Aptos. Aptos is a modern Microsoft font designed for clear and comfortable reading, making it a suitable choice for many types of documents. After selecting Aptos, look at the font style and size settings and make sure they are set the way you want them. You can choose the standard font style and adjust the size according to your preference. Once the settings are correct, look toward the bottom of the font dialog box and select the Set as Default button. Microsoft Word will then ask whether you want to apply the font change to the current document only or to documents based on the normal template. To make Aptos the default font for new Word documents, choose the option that applies the change to documents based on the normal template. Then select OK to confirm your choice. The font dialog box will close, and your default font settings will now be updated. From this point forward, new documents based on the normal template will use Aptos as the default font. This setting is useful if you regularly create documents and want to avoid manually selecting Aptos each time you start typing. It also helps maintain a consistent appearance across the documents you create in Microsoft Word. If you ever want to change your default font again, you can return to the same font dialog box and choose another font using the same process. And that's how you can set Aptos as the default font in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.